Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you want to import contacts into Klaviyo, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. It's easy. So let's dive in. So we're going to go ahead on the left hand side once you've logged into Klaviyo, and we're going to open the audience tab. Now you'll see lists and segments. Now once you've opened lists and segments, you'll see that there's a bunch of lists and segmentations over here, right? So you can either open a list or you can go ahead and create a new list. Now creating a new list is quite simple. All you need to do is give it a name. I'm going to use this existing list right over here, and it's going to open this list. What you can see up on this page on the top right hand side is manage list. Now there's two ways of importing contacts. So we're going to just click on the import contacts over here. You can now see that there are your two options. So first of all, the CSV file, and we also have a switch to copy and paste CSV. Now what you will need to do here is open up your CSV file. I've got my CSV file right over here, and what you want to do is copy, and what you want to do now is go back to the page in Klaviyo, and here you want to paste. Okay, as you can see, it's got all of the information here, and what you want to do from here is go ahead and click on next. Now from here you'll see it says before importing, make sure your data transfers correctly. So as you can see here, first name is first name, last name is last name, and email address is email address. So you can just change these lists over here appropriately if this is not correct. We're going to click on next, and here it says, did these contacts subscribe to email marketing messages? So if you say yes, right, it'll update the subscription status for all the contacts that you are importing. But if you say no, it will import without updating the subscription status. Now you can go ahead and choose the appropriate option, and you can click on import right over here on the top right hand side. These lists now have been updated. These contacts have been uploaded. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and check out the rest of our channel. We've got tons of awesome Klaviyo tutorials. We'll see you over there, people. Peace out.